Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1983 Silverton.
34 foot.
34 foot. I got the owner. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Jimmy?
All right.
Cool.
Yeah, like you said, it's a 34 foot Silverton.
Okay.
It's got twin Crusaders, all worked up nice.
Okay.
Everything well maintained. Had the boat for 4 years.
Wow. Big boy.
Great condition. Mint condition.
Cool. Let's check out the inside. So what do we got in here? A lot of room, huh?
Yeah. This is basically meant for a family boat.
Okay.
You got a bedroom up front. The table here turns into a bed, the kitchen table.
Wow.
It's got your sink, your fridge, your stove.
Nice golly. Great shape too.
You got your bathroom to the left.
It's the head?
Yeah. It's got a shower.
Wow, great. A lot of room up front too. TV, flip it around.
Yeah. You said you got your kitchen area here, you get the fridge down there. All your goods you keep it there.
Okay. So what's power of this bad boy?
Turn 2.
What kind of motors are there?
Crusaders, 350s.
Two of them, right? Dual?
Twin,
Okay.
yes. You want me to show you them quick?
Yeah.
Easy access to the engines. Beautiful.
How many hours they rebuilt or?
They're all rebuilt.
Okay.
Finest parts on it.
Yeah, Jimmy really takes care of his stuff.
Everything, all electrical is rewired. Everything works. Your lights, your bilge. It's ready to go.
Ready to rock and enjoy.
Rock.
Cool. It's got air conditioning. You guys can check out more pictures, information on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Feel free to give me a call. That's 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.